Students, we are going to start our next lecture. Today we study about subtraction of matrix. How a matrix can be subtracted from the other matrix. If we have two matrices A and B, then subtraction is performed by subtracting entities of matrix B from the corresponding entities of matrix A. In the subtraction of matrix, it is compulsory to have both the matrix same order. We have two matrices A and B, we can write here also having same order. If we have two matrices having same order, A and B having same order, then subtraction is performed by subtracting entities of matrix B from the corresponding entities of matrix A. For example, we have a matrix A is equal to 7, 3, 5, minus 1, 0, minus 7, 5, 3, 9. By using in matrix B, we have entities B is equal to 1, 5, 6, 3, 1, minus 8, 1, 0, 5. We can find A minus B by subtracting entities of B from the corresponding entities of matrix A. Suppose subtracting 7 minus 1. Subtracting 1 from 7, same here. Subtracting 5 from 3. Subtracting 6 from 5. Next one, minus 1. Subtracting minus 3, 0, subtracting 1, minus 7, subtracting minus 8, 5, subtracting minus 1, 3, minus 0, and 9, minus 5. By using these values, we can find A minus B is equal to 7 minus 1, 6, 3 minus 5, minus 2, 5 minus 6, minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, 0 minus 1 minus 1, minus 7 plus 8, 1. Last one, 5 minus 1, 4, 3 minus 0, 3, and 9 minus 5, 4. This is the answer of matrix A minus B. By using this way, we can find the subtraction of matrix. In this way, we perform subtraction of matrix, two matrices.